Hello there. My name is Justin Kanji. You're watching today my presentation for GBDA 310, Advanced User Experience Design and Research. This is the presentation. I have gone ahead and attached the link for my website for the artifact for this presentation. If you could go ahead and open that, you could probably follow along with the presentation, along with the slides. I will be referencing headings in the website. So today's topic is literature reviews. So what is a literature review? This concept may sound very familiar to any of you when it comes to research papers and essays. The concept is actually very similar in regards to UX. In a more common term, this could be called secondary or desk research, where your main goal is to gain more information on your topic. You're going to be extracting information from any credible sources that you find, and credible sources only. With these credible sources, you're going to be focusing on the core of each piece of data. With this, you're going to be drawing connections between the selected data, but at the same time, you're still going to be staying focused on your design project. This is usually just one small part of a way larger research group or research project or research paper. So why do we write literature reviews? Performing a literature review shows that you understand the data you have collected. This is shown by doing an analysis and summarizing the information in order to draw conclusions. Conclusions include finding out what information is already out there on your topic, provides an overview of the key concepts, looks for major patterns or relationships, understands strengths, weaknesses of your findings, discover any gaps within the research, discover any unanswered questions, see if there's any conflicting evidence, and it gives a background for one's research paper's investigation. So I'm going to be going over 4 benefits of doing a literature review. I'm sure you guys are probably thinking of countless amount of benefits already in your head, but I'm just going to be going over 4. The first would be the selection of topic. You need to know exactly what you're looking for going into this, and literature reviews help you figure out a starting point on your topic or on your project. Next would be a simple method to organize the data. Your data collected will be organized in an Excel spreadsheet, 8 columns wide, usually color-coded for relevancy. The one attached here in the video is actually not color-coded, but for example, you could have it green for more relevancy and red for the least relevancy. You can see the columns here are titled author, date, general field, which is interchangeable based on your topic at hand, research question, method, result analysis, future research implications, and weaknesses. The recommended number of pieces to collect, or pieces of data to collect, or papers to have to put into this literature review is about 5 to 7, although you can have more. Next would be synthesize and analyze. Actually going ahead and following your Excel spreadsheet. It helps you keep track of similar, dissimilar data. It being color-coded helps that because you can keep a track of what is relevant and what is at least relevant. It groups the patterns found, and you're able to draw conclusions to establish strengths, weaknesses, and gaps. And lastly, you have access to global literature and experiments. You now have limitless information in the day and age that we are. We have infinite resources. You can go anywhere. Honestly, use all of your sources. Do not just limit yourself to one place. Don't just limit yourself to the library, or don't just vice versa limit yourself to the internet. Do a mix. Try books, articles, online scholarly articles, whatever you can find, etc. Next, literature reviews helps to answer many questions, and there are always many questions in the UX research process, and conducting a literature review can help you answer this. A few questions actually include what cultural trends are impacting influencing users, How has your demographic changed over time? How were similar solutions experienced? And what do we know about the users or what else would we like to know? So I'm gonna sum up everything that I just pretty much did quickly in a couple points, just for you guys to understand quickly. Is the literature reviews pretty much break down your selection of sources? Have you indicate, and within this, have you indicated your purpose? Why did you include and exclude certain pieces of data? Hopefully, did you focus on more recent findings, current findings? And the data you selected, is it even relevant? Next would be evaluation of literature. Is your information organized properly? Is your information credible? And did you explore similar findings and conflicting results? Next would be to interpret the data you have. Does your summary of each literature that you collected deepen your knowledge of the problem at hand? The literature must further your understanding. If it doesn't further your understanding, then it's pointless.